Hello, good afternoon. It's Monday and Hong Kong time in the afternoon, and today I wish to introduce how we can use Emacs coding in order to improve um, the how to facilitate the arrangement of code in Python and the Kiwi. Now, this lesson actually inspired by the Codemy in lesson 61 about using Python codes in KV file. First of all, I will run the results of this little program. I press here, I will get a string from 0 to 10, and the structure is very simple. And that is the KV file. I have a box layout, got the label for the output, and I have a button, and here the press, which refer back to the app, to the main Python code for the results, and the detail has to be seen here, and it will be in a function called press. Then I have an array empty array, and then for 1 in the range to 10, then you expand it, and then for the label I show the results. So it's so simple, and as illustrated in the Codemy lesson, we know that we can actually put the code to the KV, so it will be more readable, because we don't need to refer to the Python code here. So now the power of Emacs command, I can copy the code, and it's very fast, and then I can remove the part, this one, I should indent, and we know that for using TV we don't need this part. Then we try to run, and we get an error as expected, because it explained in Codemy lesson. We know that we cannot have indentation as normal in the KV file, and what you can do, it must be in a single line for that one. And now it come in with a single keystroke. How to do it with? I can illustrate it by code a Control J, that called join line. But again, join line is perhaps my own, I don't know. But anyway, I can have other. I can come here and shift alternate 6. It might define key binding. And that called delete indentation. Okay. So this actually come back to original key bind. I use Control J because J, capital J is one keystroke in VI in Vim that is that I misallowed, that we can actually join two lines to a single line just with a single keystroke. That's why I use the key bind and Control J in Emacs to make it a single line. Now with a single line, see where it works. Still not work. What the hell? I don't know why. If current property on. No. That's the bug. I don't like bugs. XCF line range. Why? I don't know. Yeah. This means I can't comment out simply as that. You know, this means I can't do that. I can't put something here, not possible. That all cannot work. Okay, now it works, and actually there's another way though. You should not have this. Okay. Now, another thing that we can have at the next way and explained in the tutorial, also we can put a continuation mark here, and it also come in with the beauty of Emacs. I can replace it with the dollar sign means the end of the line, okay? That in regular expression. Then I put not a single one but double one. I make a mistake. I should put here. Yes. Then it's 2 lines. It worked, yeah. So, how did I do it? My key binding is alternate shift, alternate %. Then I can describe the key, The secret here is called query replace regular expression in Emacs. So I have an argument s1, s2, then I run this function and then can do it. And then bind it to a meter shift, a meter %. Okay, just illustrate again. Suppose that you have 2 lines and I want to combine them, either combine a single line or keep in that, and I use my regular expression replacement %. Remember, Emacs you have to put 2 backslash, and the result will be a single backslash. And here you have to put a tab, make it remove the indentation, and then you can write. So this video is not too much about Python and Kiwi, but more on the Emacs editing. That really helped a lot in programming. That's why I will insist on using Emacs for the programming editing. Okay, that's it, and hope to share with you another experience in using Emacs and Python and Kiwi in the near future. Thank you and have a nice day.